Hey there, let's talk about project monitoring and control in project management. Did you know that only 2.5% of companies complete 100% of their projects successfully? Monitoring and control in project management is the process of keeping track of the project's progress and making sure that it stays on track. It's like driving a car and making sure that you stay on the right path. The 4 basic steps to monitoring are identifying the metrics, collecting the data, analyzing the data, and taking action based on the results. It's like checking your car's fuel gauge, speedometer, and GPS to make sure you're on the right track. Let me give you an example of project monitoring and control. Imagine you're building a house, and you notice that the construction is taking longer than planned, and you're going over budget. You can use project monitoring and control to identify the problem, analyze the data, and take corrective action. The principles of monitoring and control are to track progress, identify variances, analyze data, and take corrective action. It's like following a recipe. You need to measure the ingredients, check the cooking time, and adjust the temperature if necessary. The role of project control is to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality. It's like being the captain of a ship and making sure that you reach your destination safely and on time. To take control of a project, you need to define the scope, set clear objectives, identify the stakeholders, and develop a plan. It's like planning a road trip. You need to decide where you're going, what you want to see, who's coming with you, and how you're going to get there.